about having crops that the tobacco farmers would be farming or would be planting when they are not planting tobacco, you know. So mid-season, the kind of crops that they can plant. And this actually goes against the initiative of the WHO, FAO, and Kenya government, which was actually, you know, it's a big thing to get away farmers from tobacco to beans and other profitable products, profitable crops. So it means that Moses Kuria is literally challenging that program. And we know that during the last World No Tobacco Day, we had actually the head of Secretariat for the WHO Framework Convention of Tobacco Control herself in Kenya, the Global Secretariat being here, and we had a big event in Migori to celebrate this kind of work. Now, the key question is, we have a government which has signed and ratified the FCTC. And our constitution says that any law, any international treaty that we ratify and sign, becomes part of our laws. And we know that we have Tobacco Control Act, we have tobacco control regulations, which we really fought for. We were in court, from High Court to Supreme Court with the BAT, trying to have these regulations see the light of day. Now, we are back to it again. And yet it's the same government. The AG knows, the Minister of Health knows, but why is it that the same government is doing double speak? When another minister speaks, it's like they don't know that there is what we call Tobacco Control Act. They don't know that we have signed laws. And we are concerned that since this regime took over, you heard what our president said when he was in South Korea. One of the things that he went there to promote was tobacco. Because among the deals that he signed was that Kenyans should be able to export more tobacco to South Korea. That's one thing. The other thing is that when the National Drought Response Committee was being appointed, amongst them was Crispin Achola, the CEO of BAT, which they know also is against the law. Any support, what we call tax, tobacco, advertisement, promotion, and sponsorship is prohibited under the law. And that's why you no longer hear about, you know, these hat runs that used to be supported by BAT. They can no longer do that. They can no longer support sports and all that because it's against the law. But our president goes and appoints this person. When we speak about it, then you don't see the name of that person again. But we are not told when it is dropped, or if it is at all dropped.